had been discussing how the year 2021 has proved somewhat fortunate for the startups. Even after going through the worst of times, coming from the deadly coronavirus, the startups are now in a good place. They have been receiving funding and many of them have got the golden ticket. Yes, it can be referred to as the golden ticket, a big achievement when the value of the startup is more than $1 billion and is gifted with the status of a unicorn. The year 2020 only saw 11 unicorns in a year, and 2021, currently being in the month of August, has already seen the rise of 20 unicorns, and today we are going to discuss the 21st unicorn. The startup Upgrad, as announced on August 9, 2021, has received funding of $185 million. This round of funding was led by Temasek, which is a Singapore-based holding company owned by the government of Singapore, International Finance Corporation, which is of World Bank and IIFL, were participants of this round of funding. The value of the startup after this round of funding has become $1.2 billion, thus becoming a unicorn. Founded in 2015 in Mumbai by Ronnie Screwvala, Mayank Kumar, Ravijot Chugh and Falgun Kumpally, Upgrad is India's largest online higher education company. It provides various courses and specializations to choose from with the following features: one-on-one industry leader mentorship, world-class faculty, the strong learner support team of more than 100 members, the strong placement team of more than 50 members. The university partners of the startup are BIMTech Birla Institute, MICA, Jindal Global Business School, OP Jindal Law School, OP Jindal Global University, SVKM NMIMS deemed to be university, DEAKIN University, Chandigarh University, Duke University, IMT Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode, IIT Madras and many others. The courses offered by the startup are in various fields like marketing, data science, machine learning, bachelor's degree, business analytics, art, health, blockchain management, law, commerce, software and technology. One of the attractive features of the platform is that if the student is not sure of the domain in which he or she has to do the course, then the student can opt for the free courses. The track record of the startup shows that its platform has more than 1 lakh registered users. The users doing courses on the platform of the startup have witnessed a hike of 50% in their average salary, with the highest salary offered to the students of the platform is 73 lakh rupees per annum. The alumni of the platform are currently employed in various big names of the industry like Amazon, Accenture, ESPN, Ola, Myntra, Microsoft, Flipkart, Jio Digital Life, Visa. Temasek Holdings Private Limited, normally called Temasek, is a state-owned enterprise which is owned by the government of Singapore. Founded 47 years ago on June 25, 1974, Temasek as of March 31, 2021 owns and manages a net portfolio of around $381 billion. The investment company is working on Asia with more than 60% of it is exposed to the developed economies. The portfolio of the company covers 4 major areas before making any investment: digitalization, sustainable living, future of consumption, and longer lifespans. The main investment areas of the company include consumer, media and technology, life science and agri-foods, and non-bank financial services. The company is different from a sovereign wealth fund because it invests mostly in equities, is the owner of many assets, and pay taxes like any other commercial investment funds. With its headquarters in Singapore and Lim Boon Heng as the chairman of the company and Ho Ching as the executive director and CEO of the company, it has 13 offices across 9 countries in the world. The location of its offices in Asia are Mumbai, Beijing, Hanoi, Shanghai, Shenzhen and Singapore, whereas outside Asia the locations are London, Brussels, New York, San Francisco, Washington DC, Mexico City and Sao Paulo. The subsidiaries of the company are DBS Bank, Singapore Airlines Capital, ST Engineering, SP Group, Media Corp, Certis Group, SMRT Corporation, Singtel, Subrana Jurong, Vertex Holdings and Alvecon. The company as of 2021 has more than 800 employees working for it. The government of Singapore, besides holding Temasek, is also holding GIC Private Limited. It is a sovereign fund that manages around $440 billion of assets.